Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to extract copper from wire. We'll cover the essential steps to safely and efficiently recover this valuable metal. Copper is a highly sought-after material, and by learning proper extraction methods, you can maximize its recycling potential. Understanding the right tools and techniques for various wire types is crucial for both safety and profitability. Let's dive into the process of turning scrap wire into pure copper. There are two primary approaches to stripping wire: manual and mechanical. For smaller amounts of wire, a sharp utility knife or specialized hand strippers work well, especially for gauges like 14 or 16. However, for larger volumes, a dedicated wire stripping machine can significantly increase efficiency. These machines can handle a wide range of wire sizes, from fine 24 gauge up to heavy-duty 2/0 cable, making the job much quicker and safer. Safety is paramount when extracting copper. Always wear sturdy work gloves and safety glasses to protect against cuts and flying debris. Make sure your workspace is well lit and free of clutter to prevent accidents. When using a stripping machine, always keep your hands clear of moving parts. Remember, a safe environment and proper personal protective equipment are essential for a smooth and injury-free copper recovery process. To maximize your return, it's important to sort your extracted copper. Bare Bright copper, which is clean, unoxidized, and free of insulation, fetches the highest price per pound. Number 1 copper has some minor discoloration but no insulation, while number 2 copper may have solder or light coatings. By separating these grades, you ensure you're getting the best value for your efforts. A higher purity means a higher payout for your recovered metal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.